Car tutorial ideas. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝘀. On the home page, scroll down and click the login button. Enter your email address, followed by your password, and then click login. Once inside, you'll see a wide variety of templates provided by Car that you can browse by scrolling down. If you'd rather start from scratch, simply click the blank page button at the top right. Inside the workspace, you can start customizing your page by clicking the plus icon at the top right to add elements. Car allows you to add text, images, buttons, videos, and many more elements to your canvas. For example, if you want to add text, click the text option. On the left panel, type Alexander Business as an example. You can adjust how your text looks by clicking the brush icon, where you'll find options to change colors, fonts, text size, alignment, and even apply special effects. When finished, click Done,